Hi, good morning, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today I'm going to tell you something which is very much important and very much crucial in your day to day life. So, how can you control your emotions? So, first of all, I want to just tell you from yourself, just ask yourself what are the three major emotions that control a human being. Can you all tell me, friends, what are the three major emotions which controls a human life, which controls a human psychology, which controls human being at first place? So the three major emotions which I want to tell you about is fear, greed and anger. If you can't control these three emotions, you can't control your life, because these three are interconnected. Okay, you can't say that if I don't have fear it's okay, if I don't have greed that is okay. No, every three thing needs, if it's all things are correlated, and this all things needs to be controlled in some or other way. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you about fear. What is fear? Fear is something which comes due to the situations which comes in your way. What type of situation that can come? It may be some exams which is coming, it may be some practical examination, means something you want to do in your life but you are getting scared, if I get failed then what will happen? That is a fear actually which stops you from achieving what you want in your life. Okay, so don't be fearful. Okay, you have to be fearless from within. So it's not a cakewalk, means if I say that you have to be fearful, you say to yourself and it's done. It's not like that. You have to train your subconscious mind into believing that if you fear from getting achieving something, then you will always live in your comfort zone, you will always be fearful. If you want to achieve something, you have to be fearless, you have to come out of your comfort zone and you have to experiment with yourself what can be done, which I call it side hustles. Okay, so apart from you whatever job, whatever studies you are doing, if you are a student, you have to do some side hustles along with whatever you are doing. Okay, because जैसे आप कह सकते हैं कि जैसे जॉब से आपका रोटी कपड़ा मकान चलता है, that is called basic needs. Okay, so through jobs you can satisfy all your basic needs. But if you want to do something great in your life, if you want to achieve something big in your life, if you have some great dreams in your life, then what you have to do? You have to do something extra. You have to do something which all other 99% people are not doing. Okay, you have to do those things which all 99% people are not doing. Okay, so what can you do? Anything which you are passionate about, anything which you are passionate about, you have to do those things. Okay, so maybe you like writing content, you may be like doing freelancing jobs. Okay, you may be like reading books and teaching people. These all are side hustles. You may be like good in blogging. Okay, so you have to find it out in yourself what you are good at and you have to work on it. Okay, you have to continuously increase your skills, because you can't achieve success without increasing your skills. You have to increase your skills and you have to work on your mindset, and then only you can achieve something big in life. Okay, so this is called as fear. Now second emotion which controls human being is greed. Okay, so what actually greed is? Greed is something which comes out due to fear. Okay, fear is so let's suppose you are investing in stock market. Let's suppose, okay, you don't know anything, you have very little knowledge about stock market and you want to gain something big, but you don't know that there are a lot of risk associated with it. What you will do? You will just invest some amount of money, and then what will happen? It may happen that all your capital will be lost. So what happens at that point of time? You will be having greed. Ki I will achieve more. My 10,000 will become 50,000. That is called as greed. But at the same time there's fear also. If I lose that my capital of 10,000, then what will happen? So that fear and greed goes parallelly, side by side. We can't say that you have only greed or you have only fear. Okay, these all things are interconnected. This I can say that these are two sides of the same coin. Okay, so fear and greed, this all thing needs to be connected. So for understanding, you need to understand what is fear is, what is greed is, and then only you can know how to control these things. Okay, so how can you control greed? You have to understand your psychology. You know that thing or not? Okay, if you don't know, then don't do anything regarding that. Okay, this is called as controlling greed. Then what is called as anger? Anger is something which you can't control like that, because it comes at a short span of time. When something happens in a situation which created like that, suddenly something comes from you and you got angry. That is called as short temperedness. Okay, so you should not be short tempered. Okay, so you have to understand, so that at that point of time something comes as to react or to respond. Okay, so if something some situation comes like that, somebody is fighting or somebody is irritating, you just react at that point of time. Okay, we just don't think what is their scenario, why they are doing those things. Okay, so we don't have to think like that. We need to say that I will talk after 1 hour, I will think about it next day. Okay, so by the next day, when that time when will come next day, then at that point of time everything will be sorted out, your mind will be silent. Okay, so that emotion which is anger, which is controlling you, that will be finished. Okay, so these three things you have to understand it psychologically. All things are psychology, friends. Okay, if you understand the psychology, you can control everything in life. Okay, so these three emotions, fear, greed and anger, needs to be balanced. Okay, if you can balance these three, your life will be sorted out and you will be living a peaceful life. So thank you, friends, hope you all enjoying. Please like my video if you like, please.